Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete subscriptions on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to delete subscription from your iPhone or from your Apple ID, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. In settings, just open Apple ID and here just select subscriptions. With the very first, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. And then go to your Apple ID section, select subscriptions from here. Or if you face this issue that your subscription is not working, so try to relaunch the settings app by closing it, then opening it again. Open settings, tap on Apple ID, tap on subscriptions here. Just wait for it until it's loading. And here you'll get all of your subscriptions you have in your Apple ID. So you just have to select which one you want to delete or cancel. So after selecting, you'll get the option of delete subscription. Just tap on that and your subscriptions will be deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete subscriptions from your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.